You're an expert in your field. You've built your business by delivering value, solving problems, and making a difference. You know that a strategically crafted best-selling book could be the key to scaling your impact, amplifying your voice, and creating an even deeper connection with your audience. But where do you even start? Writing and publishing a book can be a bit like the old choose-your-own-adventure novels. Each type of book generates different outcomes and needs different pathways and processes to make it a reality. Now, if you're looking to write the next great romance novel or children's book, there's valuable content in here that you'll want to jot down. But my primary focus will be on nonfiction books designed to build your business and your brand. I want to start by talking about the three main types of nonfiction books, because understanding the purpose and desired outcome for each one is crucial when you're determining the process to follow for your own book. So let's break down these three core categories and what makes each one unique. The first type is a lead generation book. This is most commonly seen as a downloadable PDF. The primary purpose here is to attract your ideal clients, get their email addresses, and get them into your sales funnel. These books are designed to solve a specific problem for your target audience and compel them to take the next step in working with you. The desired outcome is to turn readers into leads, people who are now raising their hand and saying, "Yes, I'm interested in what you have to offer. I want more of this." Now, maybe it's a how-to guide, a checklist, or tip sheets. Whatever the focus, the key is that it aligns perfectly with the products, programs, and services you provide. These lead generation books are powerful because they allow you to offer something of real value upfront without any expectation of an immediate sale. You're building trust, demonstrating your credibility, and giving readers a taste of the transformation you can provide. And then you can seamlessly guide them into your sales funnel, whether that's with a free consultation, a low-ticket offer, or an invitation to work with you more closely. The writing style tends to be more practical and solution-oriented, with a clear call to action woven throughout. You want to position yourself as an authority, but also as an approachable guide who truly understands your readers' pain points. The second type of nonfiction book is the expert positioning book. The primary purpose here is to cement your status as the go-to authority in your niche. These are the books that showcase your deep expertise, unique methodologies, and innovative thinking. The desired outcome is for readers to see you as the premier expert they need to learn from, hire, or partner with. So maybe it's an in-depth exploration of a complex topic, or a framework you've developed to help your clients achieve better results. Whatever the focus, the key is that it positions you as a thought leader who can get your reader from where they are to where they want to be. These expert positioning books are invaluable for growing your influence, attracting high-level clients, and commanding premium pricing. They allow you to demonstrate the full breadth and depth of your knowledge in a way that builds unshakable credibility. And they can also serve as the foundation for additional revenue streams like workshops, masterminds, or licensing deals. The tone doesn't need to be overly academic or research heavy. Instead, it should strike a balance between demonstrating your authority and staying engaging and relatable. The writing style demonstrates that you've been where your readers are, have used the tools, processes, or strategies you're teaching, and have come out successfully on the other side. It's connective and allows your readers to feel seen, heard, and understood. It allows the readers to see themselves in you and fosters the trust your readers need to allow you to be their guide. The best expert positioning books show your audience what's possible, builds trust, and leaves them confident that you're the person who can help them achieve their goals. The third and final type of nonfiction book is the legacy book. The primary purpose here is to create a lasting impact that extends far beyond your own lifetime. These are the books that share your most powerful stories, your hard-won wisdom, and your vision for the future. The desired outcome is for your book to become a treasured resource that inspires, educates, and transforms generations to come. These legacy books are incredibly meaningful. not just for you, but for the readers whose lives you touch. They allow you to share your most profound lessons, your greatest triumphs, and your most vulnerable moments. And they can become a cherished family heirloom, a touchstone that continues to guide and inspire long after you're gone. The writing style tends to be more narrative and emotive, with a focus on storytelling and wisdom sharing. You want to strike a balance between honoring your own experiences and making it relatable and applicable for your readers. So, which type of nonfiction book will you write? Identifying the type of nonfiction book you want to write is critical because that decision will guide the rest of your writing and publishing decisions.